Have you ever been in the supermarket, in the oil aisle, picked up some oil that you saw that said ginger oil and wondered, how does this work? Wonder no more. I am here to answer those questions for you with easy, simple recipes. So all you gotta do is sit back, relax, and whip it up with fresh fried ginger. If it's sandwiches that you like, well, this is the perfect episode for you, and I want to show you how I'm going to make the most amazing chicken sandwich. Sit back, relax, and let's whip it up with fresh fried ginger. We're going to take one chicken breast and throw it into some water. Why? We're going to poach it, and it's going to poach for about 8 to 10 minutes. We just want to ensure that we can shred it. And once we've taken it out of the water, we're going to shred it and then go ahead to sauté it. Drizzle that fresh fried ginger oil, throw in some onions, your favorite spices, throw in that shredded chicken, toss everything together, place your cheese, add a splash of water, let that melt, and go ahead and scoop it up and place it onto your burger bun, and then you can enjoy. It's time for me to give you the secret of the day, and you need to move in a little bit closer. Here's the thing, take your fresh fried ginger and then just don't open it and pour everything and it's a mess. Use the lid. Why? It has all the details to measurements so that you're not overusing too much oil, you're using just the right amount that you need. Before I devour this messy, cheesy chicken sandwich, I want to hear from you in the comment section. What are you going to be whipping up since we've put out already 3 episodes of whipping up with fresh fried ginger? What are you going to be whipping up? Let me know in the comment section below. Let me devour the sandwich. Oh my God. You can give me some room now.